Hey guys, welcome all of you. I hope everyone is doing good and all of you are well. And now this is the new game that we are going to design in the HatchXr, and after that we are going to do the coding also. I hope everyone is enjoying this game development session. I already uploaded some of the videos before also. So if you have not seen that video, you can just go and check it out. And this is the new game. The name of the game is Superman and Dragons. So you can see in my screen, these are dragons and there is a Superman. So what is happening when these dragons, the Superman is going to hit the dragon that time, we are generating the score. Okay, so actually, when we are starting the game, that time 20 dragons were there. But when the Superman is going to hit that dragon, that time the score is going to be decreased. So that is the logic of this game. So let's start. Okay, so for starting, we need to come to the HatchXr screen. This is our HatchXr screen. Everybody know this time. Uh, I will leave the link in the description box. If you don't know, you can just open the HatchXr.com and you can start game development. Okay. So let's start. So these are the three objects. So first we need to delete all this. And we need to delete the ground also. Okay. Now this is the camera. Now the very first step in this game, what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the dragon, and the second step, I'm going to move the dragon. Okay. These are the two steps that we are going to follow. So what we are going to do, I'm coming to the 3D models in the sketch fab, animated. Here you need to write Superman. Sorry, dragon. First I'm going to place the dragon. Okay, so when you are writing the dragon, you can see so many dragons are here already. So which dragon I liked? The dragon should be looking like a dragon. So that's why I'm searching. Yes, yes, that is my dragon. I found it. Okay, why I like this? This is looking like a very big type of dragon. Wait, I'm going to increase the size of this dragon so we can see how it is looking like. You have to increase the height of the dragon properly so you can see properly how the dragon is looking like. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just making the dragon little bit, I'm lifting it. So it is sometimes it is little bit difficult, but no issue. We will try. You have to just, yes, not, that's okay. So this is our dragon. For the effect of the, if you want to place the effect in the environment, you can just click on the environment and you can place snow particles here. And now you can come to the built-in template. No, in the environment, and here one more thing we are going to do, uh, gradient sky. Okay, so this is the gradient sky. This is the three color gradient, and if you are coming here, you have to just click on the gradient sky, and when you are coming here, you can choose atmosphere also. Here you can choose in the place of three color gradient, you can choose atmosphere. Okay, and if you want to do the changes here, you can just make it like this way or like that way. So I'm making it like this way only. That is okay. That's okay. Now the next part, this is our gradient sky, and this is actually our environment. I want to place the dragon, so I'm just going to increase the environment size, making it 300. Okay, so now it is little bit big. So I'm going to show you first. I want to do one more thing. This is my dragon, and I'm coming here in the property section, making it take 001. Okay, and I'm going to change the dragon name. I'm making it dragon. Enter. Now I'm showing you how it is looking like. So you can see only one dragon is here. This is our one dragon. Okay. Now coming to the design. Now the first part, I'm going to clone this dragon, and I'm going to move this dragon. So I'm coming in the code section. Let's take one variable, how much number of maximum dragon you want. Okay, so I'm making a variable max count equal to 20. Okay, so that means I need 20 dragons. Now I'm making one array where I'm going to place all the dragons. So I'm writing here dragons equal to, and this is my blank array. Okay. Now I'm going to make a function. My function name is function mark dragon, and I'm placing the small bracket. Okay. Now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clone the dragon. Okay, so I'm writing here hatch. Every time when you're writing hatch, you need to make the H capital. Hatch dot clone object. Make a small bracket. In the small bracket, you need to write the name of your dragon, which dragon you want to, like whatever is the object name, then function, make a small bracket again, right here, cloned object, and after that, you need to start the curly bracket here. Now, I'm giving the position to the dragon. Okay. So, I want the dragon should be placed in somewhere in the random position. Okay. So, I'm going to make two more variables here inside the mark dragon function. Let max equal to 200. Let min equal to minus 200. Okay. So we are going to place the dragon in between this maximum and minimum value. Okay. So now I'm writing here let x equal to hatch dot get random number. If you don't know this function, you can just click here and the get random number function is okay. So you can write here random number from min comma max. Okay. So this is for x, and same thing we need to do for the y and z also. So control C, control V. Here you need to write y, and after that, here you need to write z. Z. Okay. Now all the positions are here, and how can we give the position? You need to write cloned object dot set position in this small bracket. What you need to write? X comma y comma z. Okay. Now later cloned object dot set visible. Why we are writing set visible? Sometimes it is giving you the error. Okay, like the object are getting cloned, but they are not. Now we are the function is completed, and Now we are trying to call this function. Okay, so what we are going to write here, mark dragon. Now let's run the script, see what is happening. You can see one more dragon is there. Okay, so what is happening? One dragon and one more dragon. Okay, so what is actually happening? The dragon is cloned, okay, but only one time. Okay, so if you want to clone the dragon 20, so you need to place this in the loop. Okay, so what I'm going to write, for let I equal to 0. So now I think you understood why I'm writing the loop. Okay, so I less than equal to 20 semicolon I plus plus. Okay, and I'm placing all these things inside the loop. Which thing? This one, this whole function. Okay, now run the script. You need to wait at least 1 minute, like sometimes it is taking time. Okay, it is totally. Now you can see so many dragons are there. Okay, so many dragons are moving. So many dragons are there in the sky, but they are not moving. Okay, so that means they are in the static position. Okay, so the next part we need to move this dragon. Okay, the next part we need to move this dragon. Set it as a function. We are going to do function, then this is a small bracket, then starting a curly bracket. And where we are closing, we can write the interval in the milliseconds. So I'm going to write here 6000. Okay, and in the middle of this, I'm going to write the code. So what is the code? First, I'm going to make the position, like in which position I want to move the dragon. Okay, so I'm writing here let max equal to 100, let min equal to, I can take minus max. Okay, now after that, what I'm going to write, I'm writing a for loop for let I equal to 0, semicolon, I less than, how many dragons are available in the dragon array, dot length, semicolon, I plus plus. Okay, now coming to the next line, start curly bracket. Here what I need to do, I need to give the position again. So I'm just copy and pasting these three lines because I needed these lines. Okay, now one more variable is needed, that is the speed. Which speed dragon used to move? Okay, so let speed equal to hatch dot get random number in between 0 to 50. Okay, now if you need any other number, you can take that also. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, dragons in the square bracket, you need to write I because I'm pointing out which dragon I'm moving. That is inside the array. So that's why I'm writing this dot move in direction. Okay, that is a new function that I'm using here. Dragons dot move in direction. So x comma y comma z comma speed. Okay, So x comma y comma z is giving the dragon to the position, and speed is giving which speed the dragon need to move. Okay, so this is the dragon flow function. I'm going to call this function inside. So I'm writing here dragon flow. I'm making a small bracket here. Okay, so let's run the script. See, I hope my dragon should move. Okay, so you can see the dragons are moving here, and this is the movement of the dragon. Every dragon is moving in some random direction, and I'm going to show you how it is looking in the play mode. Okay, so these are the dragons. You can see the dragons are moving everywhere. You can move the screen, and you can see the dragons are moving. Okay, now in the next part, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to place the Superman and how to detect the collision with these dragons and how can we generate the score. Okay, so in this video, only this much, and I hope you like the video. And if you're not able to understand anything in the code, you can give me the message in the comment section, and I will reply you definitely. And do subscribe my channel so you can see all the videos, and just check all the previous video of the HatchXr. And in the next video, I will show you the Superman and the detect collision. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. See you in the next video.